by taking a piece of paper and writing on the long side, fold. This will be your pattern. Next, take your fabric and iron it out. I used flannel. After you have completed this, take it to your workroom and cut out your pattern. Next, cut out another piece the same size as your first. Next, take your sewing machine and cut along each long side of your piece of fabric. Next, sew together the two short sides of your fabric. Don't forget to turn your project inside out. Next, take a button and sew it onto the front. Take a piece of elastic, sew the two ends together, and then sew it to the opposite side of your sleeve as the button. Next, take a notebook and some stickers and begin customizing it. For the next part, we will be using Cricut. So we are going to start with a curved rectangle, and we are going to make the width 6.5 and the height 2 inches. Next, take a circle and make it 1/4 of an inch by 1/4 of an inch. Center it onto your rectangle so that it is centered horizontally. Next, it's time to begin designing your bookmarks. You can do this any way you wish. You can copy my design, or you can make your own. Don't forget, when cutting this out, your bookmark will need to be cut out and your writing on your bookmark has to be drawn. Next, it's time to draw and cut this out on your Cricut. After you've completed your bookmarks, it is time to laminate them. So get that laminator out and put your bookmarks into the plastic sleeve. Next, laminate them. Next, cut your laminated bookmarks out and begin adding the tassel or ribbon top. This is very easy, and I used a glittery ribbon. We made a book sleeve, we customized a notebook to keep in our book sleeve, and we created these 3 gorgeous bookmarks on our Cricut. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.